YouTube channel. Today's video is my favourite cleaning products. I have so many cleaning products that are my favourites, but I just have a few here right beside me just to show you guys. So if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Lauren and I upload videos 3 times a week, Wednesdays, Friday and Sunday. And if you enjoy this video, give it a great big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as well. So if you want to see my favourite cleaning products, then please keep watching. Before I show you all of my favourite cleaning products, I just want to say my inspiration of cleaning is Mrs. Hinch. For those of you who don't know who Mrs. Hinch is, she is a cleaning sensation woman. She has her own Instagram handle. I will leave everything about her Instagram handle for you guys as well, just so you guys can know anything about a bit more about her if you just want to follow her on Instagram. But most of you probably already know who she is, so I will leave it down below anyway, just to let you guys know if you have never heard of her. So all these products that I'm about to show you, I am not being paid to say any of these brands at all. This is not a paid sponsorship at all. I just thought I would show you guys my favourite cleaning products that I have recently and been using for quite some time now and fell in love with them so much. So let's get on to showing you, shall I? The first product is recently new and I purchased it. If you haven't seen my, I think it's Savers haul, it's either Savers haul or Pound Stretcher haul, then you guys will know that I purchased this. So this is the Flash All-Purpose Spray Sugar Plum Delight Limited Edition. Now I've never ever used this before in my whole entire life. Obviously I've used Flash before, but I've not used this scent before. Like I said, if it was either in Savers or Pound Stretcher haul, you guys will know that this is my first purchase of it, and I used it straight away after filming, and oh my god, it's amazing. I'm surprising why I didn't pick this up before. It's absolutely lovely. It's a really nice smell to it as well. It's really nice. I don't, like I said in that video, I don't know if this is an actual Christmas one or not. If it's not, then brilliant, I'm gonna stock up. If it is, then I'm still going to stock up for Christmas because it's absolutely incredible. The kitchen smells unbelievable and I absolutely love it anyway. I love Flash anyway. I love all the scents that the Flash has, especially like the bathroom smell. Oh my god, that is incredible. But this is amazing. So for those of you who've never heard of this scent before or have never even picked one up, then I really do highly recommend, because it's absolutely incredible and it smells your kitchen out really lovely as well. So next is an old lover of mine. It is the Febreze sprays. So this is the Febreze Air Mist Lenore Gold Orchid Scent Spray, and this is absolutely insane. It's absolutely incredible. I love the Lenore scents anyway. They are absolutely so lovely. Of the sprays from Febreze or Lenore, or you get them unstoppable ones as well, they are incredible, especially the Lush ones. Oh my god, I wish I saw one of them, because if I did I would have picked one up straight away. But this is absolutely incredible as well. It smells so nice. Oh my god, it smells so nice. It smells nice and summery as well. So I'm waiting for the summer to arrive. I cannot wait for the summer so I can spray this around the house and it smells like summer and it's so lovely. It really does smell absolutely incredible. Now I have another air freshener which I have recently just fell in love with. I have I would say an addiction to like air fresheners and Sofloras and everything else. But I didn't want to pay the price of the Airwick air fresheners. I didn't realise you can actually get them in Pound Stretcher, and by them I've already bought this one. So this is basically like a dupe of the Airwick version of the air fresheners, and this is incredible. This is the Centurini, or Centuri, I probably said it completely wrong. If I have, I do apologise. But this is a room spray and it's like the dupe of the Airwick sprays as well. I got this from Aldi's and it's absolutely incredible. The smell is so lovely. They obviously have loads of different scents like the Airwick does. I have used the Airwick ones before. They are absolutely lovely. I'm not dissing Airwick whatsoever because I absolutely love them. But this one is a perfect one. So if you are a lover of Airwick but you don't want to pay the price for it, but you want something similar, then I would suggest go to your local Aldi's and try and find these, because they're absolutely incredible. They have a fuchsia one and a linen one as well, and I can't remember the other one, but they have this as well, and it's absolutely incredible. I love it so much. So if you love Airwick but you don't want to actually go and buy loads of Airwick because they're a bit too expensive because of the price and everything, then pop to your local Aldi's and get the cheap version. It's still the same, it still smells your house out really lovely. It's absolutely incredible, and it lasts about an hour or two, I think it is. Yeah, it lasts up to about an hour, so it's still incredible and I love it. Anyway, I love Airwick, I love cheap ones from Aldi. I'm a lover of just really good smells, and I'd rather pay, well, basically, if I can find it cheaper somewhere else, not saying that I do not like the expensive stuff, because I really do. I would prefer, if I can save a bit of money, then fair enough, I will pop to Aldi's and go and get all the air fresheners of the world that I can. Not dissing Airwick or any expensive brands, because I know that some people can afford them sort of brands, but unfortunately in the situation we're in at the moment, I would rather have kind of like the dupes of everything than waste a lot of money on expensive stuff or the brands, and then it just gets wrecked or ruined, or it don't work, it gets broken, you know. I'd rather save a lot of money and then I can use that money for something else, hence trying to finish this house off or get married, for instance. You know, there's so much we can use that money for, so we are kind of saving for the money. So yeah, I love the, like I said, I love Airwick air fresheners, I love all the other brands air fresheners as well, but Aldi, they do really lovely air fresheners. They do lovely candles as well in there, and diffusers. I could go on about Aldi's, I really could. Next is another favourite of mine. Now, Nathan loves this. This is the Fabulosa Wild Rhubarb Spray. I don't know how much I can go on about these sprays, but I absolutely love the Fabulosas and Sephloras. I absolutely love them so much. The smell of them, they are incredible. If you've never heard of Sephlora or Fabulosa, then where have you been? Because they are literally all over social media, literally all in shops, in different stores, in your local supermarkets. They are absolutely everywhere, and they are flying off the shelves because everyone is going out and buying them. But we absolutely love Fabulosa, and we love Sephlora as well. I use Sephlora for like putting in a washing up bowl, like diluting it, or diluting it in like bottles and stuff. I even reuse these bottles for Sephlora as well. So once I know this bottle's run out, all you gotta do is just take off the label and just fill it up with Sephlora. It's so easy. It's so easy to do, but we love these as well. Nathan absolutely loves this one. This is the Wild Rhubarb. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, and they just make your house smell incredible. So what more do you want in a disinfectant that kills all viruses and it smells incredible? How good's that? So next one is another Fabulosa, but we are absolutely loving the Fabulosas again. This is the Electrify Fabulosa. Now, Electrify is another great smell. I actually have the spray version, just like the Wild Rhubarb I just showed you, but I have the electrified spray bottle for my job, because we have to clean our desks every day, like viruses and everything, so it's all nice and clean for the next day, or if you're not on that bench, for the next person to use it. So I bought the Fabulosa electrified spray for our bench, and that smells absolutely incredible. We love it so much. So this is the electrified Fabulosa shock can air freshener and sanitizer. So it's basically 2 in 1. It's good for your home, vehicles, clothing and fabrics. Now these are absolutely incredible. We have so many of these. We have these kind of versions. We have the foam ones, which I'm about to show you. We have like air fresheners. Oh god, there is so many to name. But again, if you've never heard of the shock can before, go and buy some, because I highly recommend it. I really do. The next Fabulosa one, again, you can tell we love Fabulosa in this house. Now, I saw this last week in Aldi's and I thought, you know what, I'm going to give it a go. I'm actually going to buy one and give it a go. It's the Fabulosa Fresh Breeze Multi-Surface Purpose Polish Dust and Shines, and it can use before windows, tables and dressing tables, wood, glass, metal and plastic. So it's basically a polish. Now, I thought I would give it a go last weekend and oh my god, I'm not lying to you, I would rather use this than Mr. Sheen any day. The smell is incredible. It's just so lovely. I sprayed it in the living room on our marble table that we've got in the living room, and Nathan's little table he's got, also the radiator cover and the TV unit, and it makes the living room smell absolutely amazing. When you use this, you don't think you actually need air fresheners when you actually use this, but I do anyway because I love the smell of different smells in the house. But Fabulosa multi-purpose spray, I would use this any day over Mr. Sheen. It's absolutely incredible. If you can try and grab your hands on one, then please do so because I highly recommend them. They are absolutely incredible. They smell better than Mr. Sheen as well. I really do say that with all of my heart. It smells absolutely incredible and I think they're absolutely better than polish. So if you go to your local supermarket or Savers or Superdrug or wherever you go, try and see if you can grab your hands on it. I will bring it to the camera. There we go. So you guys can see and maybe screenshot it or check it out. But I really do highly recommend this. It's absolutely amazing, incredible. Plus it smells your living room out really, really nicely. And last but from no means least, well it's not the least, but it's the least of the Fabulosa lot, this is the Fabulosa Foam Freshener in the scent Tranquil Haze. Now we absolutely love this so much. It smells incredible. We put this all over our carpets, so once we've hoovered in the living room or the dining room or upstairs or the stairs or the hallway, the landing, whatsoever, whatever room you're hoovering, grab this, spray it all over the floor. It looks like snow. I think it's Mrs. Hinch who actually called it a bit snow. Just spray it all over your floor and the smell, it's incredible. Absolutely incredible. So I've probably gone on far too long about Fabulosas, but if you've never used the foam freshener before, then I highly recommend it because it is so good. Again, you get these in different scents. You have the rhubarb one, you have this one. Oh my god, I'm trying to remember what other scents they have. They have so many. So I highly recommend them. If you've never heard Fabulosa before, then where have you been? You've probably been living underneath a rock or something. And last product that is my favourite and will always be my favourite is Soflora. Now I have so many Sofloras, it's unbelievable. But I saw these in Aldi's, so this is the Tropical Twist scent. So I bought 2 bottles. You can never have enough Soflora in my eyes. If it was up to me, I would spend all my money on Soflora, but I can't because we've got a house to pay, you've got rent, bills and everything else. So yeah, maybe 1 or 2 bottles a week, you know, won't hurt. But I absolutely love Soflora. Again, Soflora is a disinfectant spray. It can be used for anything. They have them in so many different scents. They keep adding new ones like every week or every day or whatever, but I love them so much. This one is my ultimate best because it smells like you're on holiday, like you're on the beach, you're sipping cocktails. Oh, I wish I could be on a beach right now, but it smells incredible. It does say where to use on the side of the box as well. So again, if you've never heard of Soflora before, again, where have you been living? Because they're literally, again, all over your supermarkets and social media. But Soflora is absolutely incredible. This can be used for floors, tiles, worktops, sinks, toilets, hard surfaces and pet areas, baths, taps, drains, dishcloths, potties, and you can use it for so much more. You can clean your radiator covers with it. You can clean radiators, make it smell nice. I would put a tip out for you guys as well. Anything that gets hot or gets heated, put your obviously diluted Soflora in a washing up bowl or any kind of bowl or the sink. Put a cloth in it, rinse it out, rub it over the kettle, toaster, radiators, anything that gets hot and warm. And believe me, when it starts warming up, the scent, oh, is incredible. So guys, that has been my favourite cleaning products video. If you have enjoyed it, give it a great big thumbs up. If you do want to see more kind of these videos, then please let me know in the comment section below as well. I will do more. If you guys, I know I keep saying this, but I know I have recently been seeing that you guys have loved my cleaning routine of what products I use. There's so many people have watched that, and I thought it was going to be a very, very boring video. But if you guys are interested in seeing something like that a bit more, then please let me know on the comment section below, and I will sort that out for you guys as well. So if you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down the bottom as well, so you're notified every time I upload. Click on the notification bell next to it so you do not miss any uploads at all, because trust me, there's loads of uploads coming up your way, guys. So make sure you're subscribed, and make sure you click on the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.